right, so today I'm going to make another color changing tumbler, and I'm going to use, it's going to be pink and blue, so we're going to use sky blue mica powder. I will link the one I use in the description. And we're going to need a hollowed wall tumbler that you have drilled out or burned out. I have a video using a hot tool to drill these out instead of a drill. And then we're going to need a couple colors of icing dye. I've got pink and rose, and I'll link these in the description as well. And we're going to need distilled water. So I filled this with distilled water, and I put a couple drops of the pink color in there just to see what color it was, because it looked a little more red than I was intending, and it actually was. So a couple drops of the pink, and then we're going to do a couple drops of the rose, and then we're just going to check and see what color we've got here. I'm going to add a little more of the rose, about 5 or 6 more drops. Swirl it around, see what color it's going to be. I think we need a little more. I want it to be fairly dark. I think that should be good. And while we're at it here, we might as well put the mica powder into this as well. And then we only have to do one shot at this. So I'm probably gonna put about a couple teaspoons of this mica powder. And you can always test your solution before you put it in the tumbler. Like, you just give it a little shake and see what it's going to look like. See, that's pretty beautiful. It's going to be purple. So we're going to add this to the tumbler. And you can just add straight water to this. If you wanted to settle the mica powder a little slowly, you can add a bit of glue to it. I typically add 1 tablespoon per quarter cup of water, but that's up to you. It does make it settle a little slower. So if you want your tumbler to not settle quickly, if you want the mica powder to hang in the water, then just add some glue, or you can add glycerin. All right. Here we go. See what that's going to look like. So I'm going to seal this now. I have a video on sealing tumblers. It's called 3 Ways to Seal Snow Globe Tumblers. So please do check that out if you need help sealing your tumbler. And I'll be back after I have this sealed. All right, and here is our tumbler finished after it has settled. And then we're just going to give it a shake. How cool is that? And now it's purple. And I hope you enjoyed this magic potion color changing tumbler tutorial. I do put out at least 1 new video every week, so please do subscribe. It really does help. And if you enjoy the content, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching.